Ladies and gentlemen, it's the afternoon now on Saturday here at the outrageously beautiful Kangaroo Valley Craft Beer and Barbecue Festival. And I've got 2 minutes here, 2 minutes only, with this gentleman here, Diego from Brazilian Flame, and he is super busy, mate. How are you enjoying the festival?
I'm well, man. Thank you. Thanks for having us again this year. And Kangaroo Valley is always a great place to come to feel that community vibe and enjoy day out with a great barbecue and cold beers. And we're here, as I can see. I can't stop working because we got busy, got rushed, and but it always great to us here at Kangaroo Valley. It's a pleasure to be here once again. To be honest, that um, Kangaroo Valley was the very first barbecue festival that Brazilian Flame joined back in 2017 or 18. I'm not too sure from top of my mind, but that's why I have that special place in my heart for Kangaroo Valley, and that's the reason we're here, year in, year out, and enjoying and bringing the community that once warmed me up on the beginning, and now I'm bringing then the great food that Brazilian Flame barbecue cooks up.
Beautiful, yeah. Now, speaking of that delicious Brazilian flavour, mate, give us a bit of a rundown on how Brazilian barbecue differs from the other food stands here.
Brazilian barbecue is basically hot and fast. It's completely different than the low and slow, the American barbecue style. And we all Brazilian barbecue is all about spinning rotisseries. As you can see here, we do have like the skill rotisserie, and the back there that's the porchetta machine as well, that we can fit 15 porchettas that keep it turning, rolling, and basically they with this system, the rotisserie, the meat cooks on its juice. The juice like doesn't drop off, and that's how like all the meats it's very like juicy and tasteful.
Mate, self-basted, spit roasted on charcoal food just sounds absolutely amazing. Now, I'm noticing there's quite a bit of a red color to this chicken here. Are we up for a bit of spicy chicken here? What's happening here?
Yeah, like on your chicken rub goes about 7 different spices, and definitely paprika is one of them. That's what gives the color. But that's a special, like we haven't changed your rub since the beginning. That's the same rub. We very lucky because we put it out there our taste, and like all the customers like love your taste. We haven't changed a single thing since the beginning, and all this year around we keep it bringing the same flavor and to everywhere that we go. And with your beef, that's the beef rump cap, we only use salt. The chicken, there's a bit of rubbing here. For the lamb rump, we do marinate with fresh herbs, rosemary, parsley, garlic, fresh oregano, and all these like fresh herbs to bring that freshness to the lamb. And then the sausage, then the pork. It's all about like in the end, it's all about the love and the passion. If you got the passion and the love that you put it through the food, towards the food, that's why the food always coming out good, because you shared your love with the love for the food.
Beautiful, man. Well said. So, last question before I let you go, because I know you're super busy. What was your personal favorite on the menu today that the punters should try out this weekend?
To be honest, like uh, always trying to bring something new, yeah, in and out. And my favorite at the moment is the porchetta that we serve with guava chili jam and something and lime, and that brings it's a good combination and bring you a bit of the acidity and with the sweetness from the guava and a bit of the heat as well in there. It's and the crunch with the crunch of the pork belly, like I think it's put it up. It's a good plate at the end.
That sounds amazing, mate. Look, thank you very much for your time. Enjoy the rest of the weekend.
Welcome.
And there you are, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you head up to Brazilian Flame, talk to Diego, and get some delicious food.
We're gonna have a fresh food all weekend around. Thank you, guys.